So as I told you, tariff and quota, they do help. I mean, they do help the domestic producers, but who loses at large is the domestic consumers. In fact, when there is tariff and quota, government also earns some amount of income because of tariff and license, import license and all. But then society at large is lost. Deadweight loss. What is that? Let's kind of break down this entire graph into this. In fact, let me just take you through this entire stuff. I hope you can see this graph. Can you? So yeah, here's the
Yes.
thing. This is graph number 1. How do you read this graph? Imagine the world without international trade. There is no international trade happening. Imagine that. I'm taking you from that point. So whatever domestically is produced, it is consumed. Closed economy. Think about that. So over here, these are the domestic prices, and this is the quantity, because demand is equal to quantity at this point. Are you getting it? Hello. So
Yes, so
the the producers are the producer surplus is pretty much this area, and the consumer surplus is pretty much this area. Are you getting it? That's a consumer surplus. Are you getting it? Then we jump to a point. From point number 1 we jump over here. Now the international trade exists, but here is the thing, there is no tariff. So international trade is happening but without any tariff. So then Saudi Arabia comes, cheaper oil prices and all. So now then the import prices are over here, the domestic prices are over here. Come on, can I say the prices are lower, so consumers will consume more by importing more. Make sense? So earlier the domestic quantity consumed was over here, the blue color box. But then it will increase and become over here because there is import also happening. What's it? Now why there is a loss to the producers over here? Because listen people, what is happening is earlier they were producing this much quantity, the purple color box, and now they are just producing, the domestic guys are producing only this much quantity. Are you getting it? So they are making a loss over here. And I don't know if you realize, the peach color producer surplus is now reducing to only this much. That's the only producer surplus they have. Are you getting it? So this entire part, who gets benefit out of this? When there is no tariff, only international trade, the entire part goes to consumers. The consumers are benefiting because it is at a cheaper rate and more quantity they are getting. Makes sense? Hello.
Yes.
Then comes the license raj, the government. They said, hey, you know what, let's put tariff over here. Now as soon as the tariff is there, this is your import price plus the tariff, and now this is basically the price at which import is happening after tariff. Are you getting it, all of you? So realize this much part is then lost. The consumer were earlier having a benefit because there was no tariff. This much part is lost. The consumer loses that benefit. Are you getting it?
yes, so
It is,
Yes.
so it is this part which I am like below graph. It is this part which is lost by the consumer. This is called lost consumer surplus. Are you getting it? Hello? Yes or no?
yes, so
Yes.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is lost consumer. So somebody is lost, then somebody must gain. Let's use gain over this, out of this. First of all, let me calculate and help you understand. Okay, let me use the numbers. It will. Okay, no. First, without numbers, let me help you understand. Can I say the lost consumer surplus? A part of that will become producer surplus, because now they are able to sell it at a higher price. Huh? Marginal cost and all. Because the price increase, they are able to sell more. If you're not able to understand this, then here's the thing. Before the import tariff, this is what local producers are producing. And after that, they increased to this point. So producers gained now over here. The profitability increased. But at the cost of consumers losing their benefit. And That's the additional benefit which producers are gaining, the orange color shaded area. Do you agree? And let's say the government is charging import tariff and all. So in this case, the blue color shaded area, I'm going to be very careful when I'm shading this area. The blue color shaded area is government's income. But here's the thing, the remaining area which I have not shaded, which color should I take? The red color. The remaining area which I have not shaded, this particular area, consumer has lost but nobody has gained. This is called deadweight loss. At an overall society level, domestically you have lost. With numbers, here's the calculation. First of all, let me tell you the amount of consumer loss and then I will tell you where the gain went. I am just going to use a little bit of geometry. Don't worry, I'll help you out around. Okay. Like think about, oh sorry, I'll have to zoom out. Let's say the tariff was like the world prices are $20. I hope you can see 20. And let's say the tariff is $15. Now, this color, this quantity, this is when there is no tariff. When there is no tariff, people are buying or importing things at $20. That means the demand is more because the price is less. So over here, the domestic consumer are consuming 850 units of whatever it is, maybe oil or whatever it is. Now here's the thing, because the prices are low, the domestic producers are not able to compete because their marginal cost per unit is high na. So they are not able to compete. Only few are able to compete. So here's the thing, the domestic producers are able to supply only 100 units of whatever it is. Can I say the balance 850 minus 100, the balance 750 units must be imported when there is no tariff, right?
Yes.
Now let's introduce a tariff. When the tariff is introduced from $30, sorry, from $20 it becomes $35. So the tariff is $15. Now if you observe, I'll use which color, I don't know, blue color. This particular area, can I say this is a rectangle? Huh?
Yes, so
When the tariff is increased, the price increases. Price increases, demand falls. Demand falls, and now local consumers are demanding 650 units. Now the prices increased, local producers are able to compete. They are able to serve 300 units, and the import quantity is now 650 minus 300, which is 350. Are you getting it? So I am now making you realize how much is the consumer loss over here. First, let's calculate the area of the rectangle. How do you calculate area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Am I correct?
yes, so
Which is $15 is the length. That's the increase in the tariff, na? And
yes, so
breadth is, can I say, 650 quantity, 650 units, like this entire part. This entire part. 650 units, huh? So 15 into 650 is how much? Don't do the math. I have done it. It is 9750. Getting it? All of you? And now we just need to calculate the area of the triangle. The right angle triangle, remember? The black color shaded area. What is the formula to calculate area of the triangle?
so half base into height.
Half into height into base, or base into height, whatever it is. So can I say it is half into 15 into 650 minus 850, which is what, 200? How much is the answer? 7.52, 1500. And this is basically, can I say 11,250 is the total consumer loss? Huh?
Yes, so
So now total loss is 11,250. I am saying not everybody is gaining. If the loss is 11,250, the gain also has to be 11,250 to someone else. But it's not happening. Let's see how over here. On this particular box. First of all, let's find out the additional gain to the producer's surplus. Can I say it is this particular shaded area? Huh? Sorry, bad drawing. Am I correct? How do I calculate this? Let's say the first rectangle. It's a rectangle. So this much is 100 and this much is 15. So 15 into 100, 1500. This is producer's surplus. Now here's the thing. I am calculating this also, this area, you know, the rectangle. This is not rectangle. This is triangle. I'm calculating this triangle. Can I say this again? Half into base into height. So it is half into base is what? 100 and 300, which is 200. And height is again 15. Again, this is 1500. Can I say the total producer surplus is 3000? Huh?
Yes.
So out of 11,250, I have given you a count of, out of 11,250, I have given you a count of 3000. Okay. Now let's talk about tax revenue. Now here's the thing. The import has reduced now. Earlier the import was 750 units because of the tariff. Now it is 350 units. Am I correct? So the government is collecting tax revenue or tariff revenue is 350 is imported and $15 is the tariff amount. So 350, this entire, which color should I take? I'll take red color. This entire rectangle is the government revenue because 350 is the import and multiply by $15 is the tariff. This is close to 5,250. So 3,000 and 5,250. That is what someone's benefit. But this, which color should I take now? Green color. This gray color shaded area is no one's benefit. Nobody's benefiting out of it. So consumer lost 11,250. We hope that okay, somebody else in the economy will at least gain. Let's go for tariff. Guess what? Producers, local producers gained 3,000. Government gained 5,250. But remaining 3,000, nobody gained. And that is the deadweight loss. Are you getting it? All of you? And of course, we spoke about tariff over here. If we talk about quota, the government is charging license over here, license fee. So people have to pay license fee. So that becomes your, what do you say? Yeah, yeah, this becomes your license fee. And by the way, over here, the exporters are getting an advantage over here. No, sorry, my bad. Yeah, my bad. Just cut it off. Like this is tariff. This is government revenue.